Tachiao. Hello everyone. In this lecture you learn bird and insect name in Chinese. Hen, Mochi, pigeon, gaz, parrot, yingwu, eagle, ying, peacock, khangchue, crow, wuya, ostrich, thornyao, kingfisher, suiniao, quail, anshon, cock, conchi, duck, yaz, grasshopper, charming, honeybee, meefeng, hummingbird, fengniao, butterfly, hootie, spider, chichu, zachian,